guys, Jeff here with Trains here. Welcome back to another Trains video. We talk about everything but mostly trains. Today, I'm here at Disney World in Orlando, Florida. I am on an expedition to find any train stuff here. It's pretty neat. We're in the vacation club area of the Wilderness Lodge. Before Disneyland or Disney World was created, Walt Disney had a backyard railroad he called the Carolwood and Pacific Railroad. These are two original cars from the railroad. Here's a picture of Walt Disney working with his live steam stuff in his workshop. It features his prized possession caboose and his prized possession Lilly Belle. Here they have a neat model of the Lilly Belle in G scale. The room in here features some pretty cool pictures of Walt Disney and his trains. Here's a picture of Walt playing with his trains with his friends. If you see it closely, you can see the TCA president, Ward Kimball, in it. One of Walt Disney's closest friends was Ward Kimball, who helped with his filming, and he was a very big part in the Walt Disney Railroad. He had a very big role in the Trains Collectors Association as well. Ward Kimball was the president of the Trains Collectors Association. Here's a neat picture of Walt and Roger Brogie. I got to meet Roger Brogie's son at a train show. Roger Brogie's son, Michael Brogie, wrote this book about Walt Disney and his trains. Here's the schematics of the Lilly Belle. Here's a picture of Walt and Mickey right as they opened Disneyland. Here's another cool picture of Walt messing around with a hand car. Here's a fun one of Walt and the Carolwood Pacific that was in his backyard. They used trick photography in this one of Walt standing next to the Lilly Belle, but the Lilly Belle's bigger than him. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to my